how to find out the factors of a given number. Okay, ఏంటి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి అది తెలియాలి మనకు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్యాక్టర్, prerequisites. Very easy. Factor అంటే perfect divisibility. Suppose take one number 4. For every number is divisible by 1 and itself. 4 is divisible by 1 and 4 is divisible by 4. By default, these two numbers are the factors. Apart from this, what are the numbers left over? 2, okay, 2, 3. Suppose you are taking 10. What are the factors? What are the factors for 10? Tell me.
1,
1,
1, 2,
next.
3, 4, 5. Up to
1, 2, 3,
9.
4, 5. Okay.
5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
No need to consider same number. Okay, number is divisible by itself. There is not consideration. 1 comma.
Okay.
Is 10 divisible by 1? Okay. Is 10 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes. Is 10 divisible by 3? No. 4 తో divisible అవదు, 5 తో divisible అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా?
Yes.
ఇంకేదంతా అవదు, ఇంతే. ఒకవేళ 12 తీసుకుంటే 1 comma
2, 3,
2 comma
4,
3 comma 4 comma 5 అవదు, 6 comma
6.
6 up to 6 అవదు. ఓకే.
Yes.
14 తీసుకుంటే 1 comma 2 comma 7 up to 7 only. ఓకే, ఇది ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే ఇవన్నీ ఫ్యాక్టర్సే. ఆ నెంబర్ కూడా ఫ్యాక్టరే. మనకు మెయిన్ ఎజెండా ఏంటంటే ఈ రెండు రావాలి.
Other than
10, 2, 5.
okay.
12 వచ్చి 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. ఈ రెండు వస్తే చాలు మనకి. ఓకేనా? 2, 7. 14 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏంటంటే 2, 7. 114 అనేది డిఫాల్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, అది అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. మనకి మధ్యలో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏంటి కనుక్కోవాలి. మరి డివిజిబిలిటీ చెక్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఏముంది ఆప్షన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆప్షన్ టు చెక్ ద డివిజిబిలిటీ ఇన్ పైథాన్? ఇన్ ఎనీ లాంగ్వేజ్, to find remainder, modulus operator is there.
Okay.
Okay, 4 modulus 2 means answer is 0. 4 2 to divide cheste 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. This is the answer. To find out the remainder, we have to use modulus operator. Okay. After that, please observe carefully. For every number, factor is up to half. We have to check only. Okay. For 10, up to 5 is enough. For 12, up to 6. No need to checking of 7, 8, 9 and all the things. For 14 also up to 7. Middle number, up to middle number is okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Up to middle number, every number we have to check.
Okay.
Observe carefully. For 10, we have to check. For 10, what are the factors? 2 comma 5 only. Okay.
Oh.
We need to check up from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 10 modulus 1, 10 modulus 2, 10 modulus 3. No need to checking of 6, 7, 8, 9 because up to half numbers perfect divisibility.
Okay.
How to write? For 10, we can write 1 to 5. How can we write? Range of, anyway we have keyword range of. Begin comma end means what is its value? From begin to begin plus 1, begin plus 2, begin plus 3 up to end minus 1 value it is coming. Okay, starting value is 1 and what is the ending value? Ending value formula? If it is number is 10, ending value is 5. What is the formula?
N by 2.
N by 2. Okay na? N by 2. But as part of end value, we have to take one value extra because n minus 1 value we are getting. N by 2 plus 1 we can write. Okay.
Okay.
For 7, suppose example we have to find out the factors for 7. What is 7 by 2? 3.5 is something we can get. To avoid this decimal, we have concept of floor division. Am I clear?
Okay.
Floor division.
Yes.
Floor division means double slash operator. Floor division means only integer part it is considering. 7 floor division 2 means 3 on the answer. Okay.
Okay.
I can show the demo for that operator. 1 minute. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
4/2. What is the answer? 2.0. Yes, 4
Okay.
double slash. Sorry, 4/2. What is the answer? Only 2. 7/2. What is the answer? This is floating operator. Okay. Floor division
Okay.
means 7/2. What is the answer? 3. If you want to fetch only integer part exactly of 3. Okay. Am I clear?
Okay. Yes.
Concentrating on the program. Program is mainly to find out factors. To find factors, what are the main prerequisites? Factor is perfect divisible number is a factor. Any number which is divisible by perfectly with that number is a factor. What is divisible means? If we divide one number with another number, we get remainder as 0, then that is a factor of that number. Okay.
Okay.
What are the prerequisites? We should know what is modulus operator, what is double slash operator, and what is input function to enter the n value, what is print function to display the result. This you have to know. Print function
Okay.
for loop, for checking purpose. This is enough. Okay. For confirming condition, if these are percentage is for modulus remainder, double slash is for floor division, input is for enter the input value, print is for to display the result, for is for looping, if is for condition check. Okay.
Okay.
We can go for the program once. How to write the program? First of all, n is equal to int of input of enter number. For which number you want factors, input of enter number, this stores in the form of string. For the calculation purpose, we have to convert it into integer format. Okay. Then after that,
Okay.
if it is a negative number or 0, no factors are there, invalid input. Else we have to find out. How to find for I in range of from 1 to we can calculate last range of 1 comma n floor division 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1. For each and every value is kept in I and leave repeated for I number, total range value number of times. ఇక్కడ రేంజ్ లో ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి అన్ని సార్లు లూప్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. మనం ఏం చెక్ చేయాలి? చెస్ట్ డివిజిబిలిటీ అవుతుందా కదా. ఇఫ్ n modulus I equal to 0, then we can print that number. Okay.
Okay.
Divisible అయితే ప్రింట్ చేద్దాం ఐని అంతే. Am I clear up to this?
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ లోకి వెళ్దాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. As part of first line, what I am taking? Input of enter a number. Suppose you are entering 4 enter చేశారు. n లో 4 ఉంది. Okay. After that, if
Okay.
n less than or equal to 0, is 4 less than or equal to 0? Wrong కాబట్టి ఇది రాదు. ఓకేనా? Coming to else part, given number is ఈ ప్లేస్ లో n వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. n వాల్యూ ఎంత? 4. ఇది
4.
సింటాక్స్, ప్రింట్ సింటాక్స్ మీరు చూస్తే అర్థమైంది. గివెన్ నెంబర్ is 4. Print factors of a given number. Factors of 4 are end equal to comma అంటే సేమ్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ అవడానికి, end equal to స్పేస్ ఇస్తే సేమ్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ అవడానికి క్లాస్. ఇక్కడ దాకా ఇది ఎంత?
Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay.
Next line, 8th line. Here there is a logic. For I in range of 1 comma n by 2 plus 1. 1 comma n by 2. n ఎంత? 4. 4 by 2 అంటే 2 plus 1. 3. Range of 1 comma 3 అంటే ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 comma 2 only.
2.
Has to check with 2 numbers only. First of all, 1 is going and store into I and checking 4 divisible by 1 or not. 1, 0. So 1 is stored in the same line. Next 2 values stored into the I. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. Factors of 4 are 1 comma 2. That is the result.
Comma 2.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Once again, if you suppose you are entering 5 means what are the values it is checking? 1 comma 5 by 2 plus 1. What is 5 by 2? 1 comma 3. 5 by 2
3.
means 3 point something. 2 point something. 2 point something means 2 plus 1. 3. 3 means 1 comma 2 only.
Okay.
Okay. 5 is divisible by 1. Yes. 5 is divisible by 2. No. Only 1 is getting. 1 we are getting. Am I clear? Main
Yes.
important heart of the program ఇక్కడ ఉంది. n by 2 plus 1. Okay. Floor
Okay.
division. n by 2 means floor division. Shall we execute the program?
Yes.
I'm executing this program. Enter a number. I'm entering 10. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చినాయి. ఓకేనా? అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇవన్నీ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఒకవేళ మీరు వేరే నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ చేశారు, నాట్ ఫైండ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫర్ 300 అంటే 30 కనుక్కోవాలంటున్నారు. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 30 ఆర్ 1 2 3 5 6 10 15. Again we are running 300 you are entering. Suppose these are the factors of 300 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 12 15 20 25 30 50 60 75 100 150. These are the factors. Am I clear?
Okay. Clear.
కోడ్ మొత్తం డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. మీ కోడ్ నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ యూజర్స్.